Welcome to EPP Solar. In today's video, we'll discuss the essential components required for installing a balcony power plant. Sit back, unwind, and prepare to embrace green living effortlessly. A Balkonkraftwerk, or balcony power plant, is a small-scale solar energy system designed for installation on balconies, terraces, or small outdoor spaces. So, what do you need to install a balcony power plant? Firstly, you'll need a high-quality solar panel that can generate enough electricity to power your appliances. There are a variety of solar panels available on the market, with different sizes and wattages to suit your needs.
Are you tired of high electricity bills and a dependency on fossil fuels? Invest in monocrystalline solar panels ranging from 380 to 500 watts, depending on your needs. Our panels are made with the highest quality materials and are designed to last for years. With our panels, you can power your home and reduce your carbon footprint. Installation is easy and hassle-free, and our team is here to help you every step of the way. Don't wait any longer. Invest in a brighter, more sustainable future today with our monocrystalline solar panels. Order now at the best prices available.
You'll also need a sturdy mounting system to securely attach your solar panel to your balcony. There are different types of mounting systems available, such as southern extension or balcony railing, depending on the place where you want to mount the system. Next, you'll need an inverter to convert the DC power generated by your solar panel into AC power that can be used by your appliances. There are different types of inverters available, such as on-grid, off-grid, and microinverters, depending on the size of your system and the number of panels you're using. Moving forward, you'll require accessories, such as end caps, Verlängerungskabel, extension cables, and AC cables to connect your solar panel, inverter, and grid together. Choosing high-quality accessories is crucial for efficient energy transfer and safeguarding your equipment from potential damage.
Generate environmentally friendly electricity and save now. Get a 19% discount on our balcony power plant. Order now.
That's it. You've got all the components, and now it's time to set up your balcony power plant. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video, where we'll provide a detailed, step-by-step guide on installing a balcony power plant. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. If you have any questions or concerns, just drop a comment below, and we'll gladly assist. To explore and customize our products to suit your needs, head over to our website and place your order today.